Okay guys, it's me Kinghuman, and I made this special video for those of you that are interested in the link I sent you, this cool software called instashopmaker.com or Shopabot. Excuse me, I still have a bit of laryngitis going on. But anyway, I told you guys about this cool software that will instantly deploy your new profitable hands-free Amazon affiliate store. It'll discover the most profitable and viral products to promote, and you press one button and build a site that'll generate viral traffic and sales on autopilot. At least that's what they claim. Now, I bought this. I bought it for a friend of mine, and I bought it for myself, because I want to test out a few things and I want to try a few things. You know, this kind of interests me when I looked at it. But here's the thing. I want to get deeper into it and show you some of the ways that you can make money. Now, you can't just make any Amazon store and expect it to make money. You have to really go in and prospect for a niche that has a passionate following. And then the reason you want to do this is because once you make your Amazon store, you want to be able to run adverts for it cheaply on Facebook and drive traffic. You want to be able to advertise in online magazines within that niche and drive traffic to your store. This is how you're going to make money on autopilot. You can't just build a store and let it sit there like a veal, with no traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business. So especially a business like this, where you're getting affiliate money, you're not getting 100%. You're not getting the lion's share of the profit. But you're also not having to buy products, inventory them, stock them, and ship them. You're just sending traffic. So, you can't expect to get the lion's share of the profits. But in order to make this work, you have to drive traffic effectively. So with that in mind, I want to show you guys one way to do it so that your store will be profitable. So just as a quick prospecting thing, I went to Google and I typed in Amazon bestsellers, best-selling products on Amazon, something like that. So I come here, and this is just a really superficial way, to look for niches. Obviously, you can go as deep into this as you want. But, and you can see all these different departments. Arts, crafts, sewing. So, for example, if I go into arts, crafts, sewing, we'll see the most popular selling products. This glitter pins. Let's see. This has over 1,000. Apple barrel acrylic paint. So what you're doing here is you're looking for things that are selling like crazy, because and it's got to have some kind of a passion-based buyers group behind it, and I'll expand on that thinking more in a minute. But let me just pause this video and do a little prospecting and see what I can come up with. Okay, so I came in here and I came into sports and outdoors because I know people are passionate about their sports, their workout gear, all of that stuff. And just to go deeper, because you don't want to go into the superficial level, you really want to target stuff so that you can really target your audience when you start running ads. I'm just going to look at yoga. I know yoga's a big thing, Bikram and whatever, I don't even know. But all of these yoga products can be put into your store, and you can run some cheap Facebook ads targeting yoga groups in Facebook. Now look at this product's got 2,392 reviews. This one's got 7,797. You know, this kind of stuff you can really prospect in here, I think, you know, and make a decent product line in your store. Now this is just an example off the cuff. This is not, I'm not recommending you go after yoga products in your Amazon store. But let's continue this line of thinking and see where it gets us. So if I go into Amazon and look up yoga groups, here's one with 37,000 members. Here's Men's Workout Magazine, 80,000 members. They do over 10 posts a day. They get over 10 posts a day. Yoga, 23,000 members. Global Yoga Community, 49,000 members. Yoga for Men, 11,000 members. Yoga Retreats, 19,000. Yoga World Community. So you get the idea. Every one of these groups is a potential place where you can run adverts driving traffic to your yoga Amazon store. But if you just put up a store of sporting goods, you're going to have trouble. You're going to have trouble. And then you go into Facebook, and you run Facebook ads for sporting goods. You're going to have trouble making sales because your reach is too broad. You need to laser focus and distill down your adverts and run highly interested, highly qualified traffic. So I might go into, you know, this a bit more. Let me see. I mean, this is just an overview. I just want to give you guys an idea of how to make money with these Amazon shops. Now, this product, instashopmaker.com, comes with training, and it comes with tools that will get you traffic and get you targeted results. Let me go down here and see if I can find them. Okay, there's this viral product search that instantly finds the most profitable products, which is cool. But what you want to do is you want to find the most profitable products and the most viral products within a targeted niche. You don't want to have a bunch of disjointed products that don't connect with each other. You don't want to have a giant generic store. You want to be able to advertise using targeted keywords. So when you use this viral product search, use it to find products within your given niche. And then this viral traffic giveaway. Again, this is cool because you can set up a viral giveaway within your niche. And people have to share it, or the more they share it, the more they share your giveaway, the more they drive traffic to your website, and the more entries they get into the giveaway. That's what makes it viral. They're giving, you're giving them a chance to win this free thing, whatever it is. In our case, it might be that yoga mat. Where was it? This yoga mat right here. Your cost is only $17 to $31. You know the amount when you go back here and use this viral contest, you know the amount of traffic that you could potentially get with that $17 investment? You're going to get great traffic because these guys right here are going to want to share it. The more they share it, the more entries they get in the contest, and the more potential for viral traffic you're going to get. So, very simple, very easy. This is really a cool way to go. So I hope you understand what I'm getting at here. So, again, let me say this one more time. Instashopmaker.com is where you go to get this. Now, that is to be totally transparent, that's my affiliate link. So if you go to instashopmaker.com and buy this what I think is a cool 3-step Amazon shop setup, then I get a commission from these guys, right? But here's the thing, it doesn't cost you anything extra out of your pocket to use my link. And here's the other thing, here's my my personal promise to you guys. I will not send you to anything that I do not think has potential to make you guys money. So there it is. Now, if you go and buy this using my link, and I think it's what, $20, the initial thing, and yes, there is a upsell. All of these guys have upsells. I can't help it. That's just the way these product creators are. But if you buy this software through my link, I'm going to try and continue this series of videos, and there'll be some private videos in my private Facebook group that I'll put up, and if you buy this through my link, you'll have access to those videos, because I want to get deeper into how to set up your ads on Facebook and drive traffic. This video was pretty simple. It basically talked about how to find a niche and not just be a generic idiot. Find a niche, get really targeted. You could even go deeper into yoga and go after women's yoga. That's even more targeted. Or Bikram yoga. I don't know what Bikram yoga is. I don't know. I haven't done any research. But the more specific you can get, the more targeted you can get with your ads, and the better your Amazon store is going to perform. So there it is, guys. I hope this makes sense. This is just an overview. We'll get more and more deep into how to set up your Amazon ads. But this could be a slam dunk. I don't know. I don't know you personally. I can't make any promises. This gets me kind of excited. And the reason it gets me excited is because once it's set up, and once you set your cheap Facebook ads, and when I say cheap, I don't like paying more than a few pennies per click. And, the thing that really excites me is with this feature, this, this viral contest or viral giveaway, this viral giveaway thing, I can get a lot of free traffic just by giving away cheap products. A $17 product, this or whatever, that's cheap advertising to get viral traffic. Now, I have to look into this more and investigate more, but, anyway, there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it, it's up to you. If you've done it already, I'll make a follow-up video giving you guys a link to my private Facebook group where I will post more information, or at least I hope to post more information on how to set up your campaign in Facebook, drive traffic, make a profit. Hopefully, that's the goal, right? Okay, guys, maximum respect. I hope this makes sense to you up to this point, and sayonara.